Yeah, hold on, getting away from your hole.
It's a bit chaotic, but... Oh. Oh, my fault. Oh, the little Oh, sorry. Tyre shake. Oh, there was a gap, almost. Oh, there's no cone. Oh!
Guys, back with the blue Super XRT. Did you watch our previous video where we put the monster horsepower new Hobbywing setup? Link there, have a watch of that. Had some problems with it though, so we have now geared it down. Stuck with a 30 spur gear, stuck under the nice alloy stuff there. We've gone down to a 20 tooth pinion. We've also changed the punch setting on the ESC to setting 3, and the throttle sensitivity is turned down to, what we turn the throttle sensitivity down to?
The least.
So it's the least on the Traxxas app. So we've got the Bluetooth link, we turn that down to the minimum on the Traxxas app. So let's give it a go. I've still got my red one, which is pretty much the standard setup, and to be fair, originally it was still quick around our track. So let's see what this one's like now. We may have sorted it out.
Right, so top speed test. Are you ready?
Yeah, hold on, getting away from your hole.
There we go. We'll probably crash.
Before, mine couldn't even go flat. It was too much, it just fell over backwards.
Hopefully now it'll be better.
Yeah, hopefully.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. It's got me now.
Well,
that looked easy.
And it was controllable. That might be the sweet spot.
Coming back.
Yeah, stop then.
Count it in.
3, 2, 1, go.
Got me on acceleration and top end. My tyres look a bit wobbly, don't they? Yep, 3 laps. We have an XRT, 2 XRTs and a sledge.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wheelie from the blue truck. Oh. It's a bit chaotic, but got a lot of grip. We have had a rain shower before we came out. Here we go, he'll power down the straight. Look at it, power down the straight. He backed out of it.
That was good. Trying to be neat.
The inside,
with a big piece
there was an inside line there. Oh, nice through there. Oh, no, I haven't quite got the grip.
This is great.
I can hear him tearing it up down the straight.
No.
Little donut there, was
not
there?
Great.
Oh, my fault. Tell you what, the sledge is nearly coming through for the win.
A win for the big boy. That was surprising. I don't think it was my finest driving, in fairness.
I would have come second if it wasn't for you.
Sorry.
You crashed into me.
Another race?
Right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the little
I see him, bloody cup. Wait a second.
I might have just flicked the big bad blue
I had it
boy.
lovely until he barged me out of the way. Oh.
What you done?
Pinion.
What? What?
Pinion.
That's usually my trick.
I know.
Right.
Yes.
Quick pit stop there for the blue truck.
Yeah,
Damn
sorry about that.
pinions. But sorted, we think.
Yep.
Other way round.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh.
Easy.
I've got some real bad tyre shake. Oh, there was a gap, almost.
There wasn't a gap.
There was a gap underneath.
Just, I was trying to get a nice tight apex and he just barges
just
it.
run into people and call it an overtake.
Yeah. I thought that went quite well.
The stewards want to work with you.
Oh. I've got a lot of shake on my tyres. Go on then. Oh.
Oh,
Here we go, into the back end. Oh, we've got a little right, left flip. Oh! Oh! Being bullied there, aren't you, Oz?
Sorry about that.
So unfair. Ready?
No.
Go on. Oh my word. My tyre, there's something wrong with the tyres on this.
You need to buy
Shake
some
on the
good ones.
straight.
Oh,
Wait for this. Right, here we go, right. Oh, I might have caught that cone. Right, last lap.
I love the power down the
The
straight. It's great.
Oh, half spin there.
Oh, there's no
Oh,
cone.
there's no cone.
No cone.
Oh,
I call that a win. Even if it's on 2 wheels.
Matt, you watch mine go down the straight.
Oh my God, stop. Is it unglued?
I don't
You
know.
can't run like that. You know what'll happen? Is
So
you-
we may be...
Maybe the foam is all bunched up inside.
It has. Right guys, so almost blown a tyre on my red XRT, but have a quick go with Matt's blue one, see what it's like. It's got loads of horsepower. Have we tamed it? Oh, we'll avoid that cone there. Oh,
You'll
this-
enjoy the straight, I think.
Oh, I purposely missed that first corner just to see what the horsepower's like.
Yeah, just checking the speed.
Oh, that's nice.
But it's controllable, isn't it?
Yeah, so I think, guys, we've sorted the power out. What I will
I'm happy
do,
with that.
below I'll leave in the description all the settings that we've got it on. So if you've got this set up, you can tune it and get it to work. Look at it, it's so controllable. That was wheeling, that was full power. Not like we had it before.